Hello, my name is Ramdes, and this is a screencast for Project Commerce. So go straight to the web page. So this is my auction web page, and currently I am not signed in. Why not being signed in? I have those four links in front of me. That is for the active listing, for the categories, to log in and to register. So this is a web page for all the different products which are being auctioned. And we'll go to the drawdown first. Right? So this is a title for the drawdown. Okay, it is being auctioned by Uday. This is a description, and this is a category to which it belongs. The 2,500 rupees is a price which has been set by the auctioneer. If I try to place a new bid, let's say 200, and press add bid. So for now, I'll be redirected to the login web page because I am currently not logged in as any user. So let's log in as user one. Press login. Now I am signed in as user one, and being a signed in user, I have two more links which appear. That is add a new listing for me to add a new product, and also have the watchlist link. We go back to the drawdown, and this time we try to place a bid which is below the price set by the auctioneer. If I press add bid, what happens is that I get an error message that is the bidding amount is too low. So let's enter a valid bid this time. Add bid. So as you can see here, the price that is the highest bid for that listing has changed. That is the current highest bid is by user one at 3,000 rupees. Now user one can also add this product to his watch list by pressing this button. And if we go to the watch list of user one, we can see that the drawdown appears here. If I press on it, I'll be taken to its listing page. Now, user one, as well as other users, have the option to remove items from their watch list by clicking the remove button. So here, user one has removed the drawdown from his watch list. Okay. We now go back to the active listing page and go back to the drawdowns. User one adds it again to the watch list. If we move down, we can see that we have a comment section for the drawdowns. Each listing item has their own comment section. Let's say user one wants to post a comment. This is a very good product. And post it, what happens is that, okay, the comment will appear here, with this being the person who posted the comment, which is user one, and this is the comment message. Next, we'll try the categories link. So the categories link will take us to an unordered list of all the different categories of auctions, right? So for example, if we go on to shoes, we go to the Jordan, right? If we click on home furniture, we have the sofa bed and the dining table. If we click on, let's say, luxury items, we have the Gucci bag. And if we click on the Gucci bag, we're taken to the listing page for the Gucci bag. Now, user one, as well as all other users, can add a new listing to the auctions, right? So let's try to add a shirt this time, right? So it's a shirt in the description, let's say 100% cotton. Price, a bidding amount of 600. For the image URL, we take an image from the internet, right? So still paste, and then for the category, since there's a shirt, go to close. Confirm. Now, if we move below, we can see here that the new item has been added. And since it is user one who has auctioned this item, he, compared to other users, has the option of closing the auction, okay, which only user one can do. Now we go back to the active listing and we log out. Up until now, we have been using this website as a simple user, but now we log in as a site administrator. Uday, for example, is a site administrator. So we log in. So, being a site administrator, Uday has another option, which is visit the admin site, right? Which will simply bring him to the Django admin webpage, where you can modify the auctions, the bids, the categories, the comments, the users, and the watch list. Okay, so now go back to our active listing webpage. Now, let's go back to the drawdown. So remember that the drawdowns were auctioned by Uday, and being the auctioneer, Uday can close the auction. So if he closes it, we can see here that the auction has been closed. And we can also see that the comment posted by user one still appears in the drawdown. Now, since the auction has been closed, the drawdowns will no longer appear in the active listing webpage. So we'll now log out and log in again as user one. If we remember well, user one was the highest bidder of the drawdown before the auction was closed. But the drawdown no longer appear in the active listing page. So for user one to be able to access the drawdown, he must go to his watch list and then press on the drawdowns. And we can see here that he has a message for him that is congratulations, you have won the auction, right? So user one has won the auction.